today I'm going to show you how to make this Anthropologie inspired wall hanging. Let's go! This is something that you want to do while you're watching TV or something, or listening to music. I'm opening up the raffia and I'm making it a little bit fat. But I found that it was easy if I was to open it up at the start and then stick my fingernail underneath and then bring my fingernail up to the top. And that opens it up. So this is easy, but it's a little bit time consuming. So do something while you're opening up your raffia. So I'm about a third of the way through. It's taking me like, I don't know, 5 minutes to get this far. So this is quite quick to do. So what I'm doing is I'm folding the raffia here in half and then putting the loop to the outside of the hoop, and then bringing the two pieces over and through the hoop on the other side. We'll see what we end up with. Just filled in all the gaps, and hopefully this is my last one. And voila. Oh, I just found another gap. I'll do one more and then I'll be done. So there we go. We're just going to trim the ends so that everything's even. So I have done a little bit of experimenting. I love my white little hanger here. But the thing is that most of my walls are white. So what I've done, bought some natural raffia. So this white raffia, that's paper raffia, which is different to natural raffia. This is what it looks like. And it's much more natural and it doesn't flatten as easy, but it doesn't matter. So I'm grabbing a piece of this and doing the same thing. I'm kind of flattening it out as much as possible and cutting it in 10 inches pieces. I'm just placing them every 4 whites, I'm putting a brown. So let's just take that one out. Let's just see how that's gonna look. And I think black would also look good. But yeah, what do you reckon? Do you like it with the brown? Maybe I'd like to add black, I don't know, but yeah. I like it.